This is pretty much the home screen of the application, and here pretty much on the start or the connection button at the top here, pretty much where you go to get your servers or select your servers. You can tap on this option here. You have the option to automatically select the best servers, and you have all those free servers which you can use. So if you do want to connect to one of these servers specifically, you don't have to just tap on these servers that you want to connect to. But I do recommend, if you just want to get the fastest server, you select the auto select option here. It will select the best server for you. Here you have the connection request option. Just tap on OK, and it will pretty much start connecting. It will take a while, as you can see here. So once it's all connected, you're pretty much good to go. So as you can see here, it's pretty much connected to a few minutes. Not a few minutes, likely 1 minute, but nothing much. But as you can see here, once it's connected, you're pretty much good to go. And that's really pretty much it. And at the top here, pretty much you can go here to get your subscription. As you already see this application here, they offer a 1 month subscription and a 1 year subscription. So that's really pretty much it for this application. If I miss anything at all, just let me know in the comment section, and I will see if we can help you out. See you in the next one.